Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today I'm going to teach you another type of poem, and today I'm going to teach you a type of poem called an autobiographical poem. So this poem is written about yourself. Okay, so if I flip screens here, it says in an autobiographical poem, you write a poem about yourself. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do when you write your poem for today. Okay, so here is a planner, okay, and what it would look like. If you look over here, it says follow this form to write your own autobiographical poem. So on the first line, you're going to write your name. Okay, the second line, you're going to write 3 personal characteristics or physical traits. Okay, you're going to talk about maybe something on the outside that you look like, or maybe how something you would describe about yourself. Okay. On the third line, you are going to put down that you are either a brother or a sister to maybe a sibling, or maybe you can put that you're a son or a daughter to who your parents are. Okay. The fourth line, who loves, and you're going to write either three people, things, or ideas. On the fifth line, who feels about one emotion and about one thing. Okay. Then you're going to write down who needs, and you're going to write 3 things. Okay. On the 7th line, you're going to write down who gives 3 objects to share. On the 8th line, who fears 3 items. On line 9, who would like to see one person or maybe one place that you want to go visit. Who dreams of 1 item or idea. Okay. And then line number 11, a student of, and you're going to write down, it would be Shangam because you're a student of Shangam, or you could put your teacher's name. Okay. And then on the 5th line, you're going to write down a nickname, or you can repeat your first name. So I'm going to show you mine that I did underneath this slide. Okay, so here's mine. I put down my name as Olivia Laura Giordano, and some of the characteristics or physical traits that I put: I'm short, I have brown hair, and I'm helpful. I am a sister. I have an older sister, Christine, and a younger brother, Eddie. Who loves Matt, that's my husband. I love dancing, and I love sushi. Who feels happy about my kids. Who needs family, friends, and hugs. Who gives kisses, hugs, and candy. Who fears spiders, snakes, bugs. Who'd like to see my mom. Who dreams of going to the beach. And I crossed off student here, and I put teacher, a teacher of Shangam, even though a little tip there, a little insight that you might not know is that I went to Shangam myself. So I was a student of Shangam. And then I put my nickname, and I put Liv. All my friends call me Liv. So this is kind of what you're going to do today when you are starting to write your poem. So you want to think about these things that are over on the side to kind of help you when you're doing your writing today. Okay? I can't wait to see your writing pieces. Have fun.